Hello guys, welcome to the another video. Today I am sharing with you how I manage my website. Let's go to the WordPress homepage. I have mixed such type of shortcuts for making more easier and comfortable. You can also make like this. Let's go to the WordPress. You also know that this is the dashboard. From me, there are only 28 posts in my website because this is created since 2 months ago. Plugins. Into the plugins, there are many plugins which I have installed. Ads Manager, this Elementor. I use Elementor. Sorry. Post viewer counter. This is the one of the most necessary plugin which provide the features of counting of views in a website post pages etc. Let's go inside the post. There is title, categories you should make like this. Tags, you must use 5 or more than 5 tags. Features the image. This is one of the important thing of website post. Let's go to edit with Elementor. At the first look, it look like normal post. There is a button which we can insert by their add element, and there are such type of elements: grid, adding image, text editor, videos, button, etc. This text I have written by using AI. Some people think that we cannot use AI text, but that's wrong. It's a myth. We can use AI text. Let's see my website from the viewer side. This is the interface of my website. There is home, categories, contact us, about us. This must be written. These are the posts. Just go to the category. These are 4 categories. You can also make like this. If you want the tutorial how to make like this, then I will provide
Thanks
you.
for watching.